Hey friends, hey y'all. I'm CoCoDenise and I'm in Colombia. And I mean Colombia, Cartagena, Colombia, okay? Not Columbia, South Carolina. I don't even know where to start. I really don't even know where to start. So number one, it's rainy season. And when I say rainy season, I mean the roads are flooded. The water was hitting the bottom of the car. We're driving down the roads. Water is splashing over the car because there's so much water. I'm in the room right now. I'll show you guys the room. We are in room 934. Smells good. Oh, it's dark in here.
No limit. Got that masterpiece. No limit, baby. You get that black car. No limit. Just know when you roll with it, there's no limit, baby. No limit.
This must be the safe.
So if you've never been, girl, I would just love to take you there. You don't have to worry about a thing. I gotta let me show you better than. No.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of stuff in here. But what I really want to show you is the fact that our room is flooded. I don't think, oh, let me tell y'all, Tasha is here. So Tasha is here. We're doing our November birthday trip. I really don't think we've ever had an issue on any of our trips. Have we?
Never.
Yeah, this is the
and we're at the Hilton.
So this is the first time that we've ever had an issue with our rooms. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see this, but let me show you. Oh yeah, you can see it. This is water.
Show them the window.
That is leaking. And I'm glad we put our I'm glad we put our stuff on the chairs. But yeah, so the water is leaking. Our room is flooded. Yep, room flooded. And it's coming from this window here. This part, see how that water just came out of there when you touch it? Yeah, so yeah. So Tasha called the front desk and they're gonna bring housekeeping. Housekeeping, y'all. They're bringing housekeeping. So we're gonna see. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be like, we need to leave, but who knows, because we're in Colombia. And I mean, I feel like this is one of the best hotels here. And I mean, I don't know what else to say. I mean, this is one of the best hotels and this is what we get. So I think we did look at 2 other hotels and they were sold out. I think I remember that. I'm gonna check back in and let you guys know what's going on. Yeah. Let me show y'all Tasha's airport outfit. Okay. Can you give us the deets?
So this came from a local shop called Mad Rag.
Where?
in Homestead, Florida.
Okay.
You know, just a little knit 2-piece. You know, a little some light for you.
Okay. And y'all seen this outfit a million times. It's my same Adidas outfit. Y'all, Tasha's calling the front desk because the housekeeping hasn't came yet. And they're not answering. Because you know they see the room number. So, Hilton, they came with the customer service. We went down there. I'm telling you, I was plotting. I was trying to figure out if we was gonna have to leave the hotel, which hotel we was gonna go to, were we gonna get a refund. You know, Cartagena is a little sketchy. I'm just gonna be honest with y'all.
Ghetto.
But we went downstairs and they said, what did they say, Tasha?
They said that they have a new room prepared for us that's ready, that they're going to come up and transfer us to the new room, and that they're sorry for our inconvenience.
And did. Okay. So yeah, so they're coming right now to bring the new keys, and we're going to the new room.
See you then.
So they moved us to room 644. It's the exact same room. It's just that everything is on the opposite side and we're lower. So, bathroom, I'm assuming, I don't know if this is dirty or scratched. The sink. What do you think?
Scratched.
Scratched up? Okay.
Somebody grandma used that.
It looks the same. What's going on with this though? It's a whole column. Is it? Oh. Yeah, it looks the same. Beds. 2 chairs. I don't think we had this little extra cubby space over here though. It's like a little extra space right there.
A little.
Oh, this is a we didn't have that either. Yeah, it's a joining room, and we can't see the view right now, so. But it's a night view. So far so good, so we'll see.